Since Sub-Zero purchased Wolf over 20 years ago, they have symbolized performance, especially in the professional range category. But are they still the best even 20 years later? In this video, you'll learn all the best features for Wolf ranges, as well as how Wolf stacks up against newer ranges from Miele, Thermador, BlueStar, SKS, and another range you might like better than a Wolf Pro range. Wolf Pro ranges are available in the following sizes in dual fuel and all gas 30, 36, 48, and 60-inch sizes. Smallest Wolf is 30-inch, only comes with 4 burners. When you upgrade to the 36-inch size, you get a larger oven and the ability to have 6 instead of 4 burners, or infrared grill or griddle. The 48-inch ranges offer an additional smaller oven and another set of burners. You can also buy the French top, as well as the grill and griddle in different combinations. The 60-inch size is essentially 2 30-inch Wolf ranges combined, so you get another set of burners or a combination of grill, griddle, or French top. Many people assume dual fuel with an electric oven is much better. This isn't necessarily the case. Electric is a drier, more precise heat, so it's better for baking. Gas, however, is a heavier moisture heat, so it's better for roasting meats. Gas broilers, especially the more direct infrared in most pro ranges like Wolf, are far better than electric boilers. Wolf has other advantages to their dual fuel and output controls and ovens. It's almost completely different from all gas, as you'll see throughout the video. BTU in the all gas range is 15,000, one burner at 9,200. For dual fuel, it's higher with a combination of 20,000, 18,000, 15,000, and one burner at 9,200. Every Wolf burner can simmer extremely well down at 340 BTU with its 2-stage burner. After the burners, the dual fuel and all gas have the same option. The output of the grill, griddle, and French top are identical whether you buy all gas or dual fuel. Wolf provides an infrared grill as well, so now you have a sear element on your stove. Once again, it's one of the fastest and hottest. Also, the heat evaporates grease, so it's much easier to clean. Wolf's grill is also infrared. An infrared griddle will perform better and faster. French tops look like grills, but perform exactly opposite. The design of a griddle is to provide even heat throughout the surface. However, French tops are just one big burner in the middle, so it's hot in the middle and cooler away from the heat source. It also allows you to cook multiple foods at different temperatures. Only Wolf, Gourmet, and BlueStar offer a French top in their range. Wolf's all-gas range has no clocks and timers. Many pro-gas ranges like Thermador Harmony, Capital, and BlueStar all-gas ranges have no timers and controls either. The dual fuel will have some of the best controls with the 7-inch touchscreen, along with light-up knobs with the temperature displayed on the top. You also have smart functionality so you can control the range remotely, and also has the Wolf Gourmet. You input the food, how you want it cooked, oven calculates time, temperature, and even rack position, along with 50 pre-programmed recipes. None of that functionality is offered in their all-gas range. The Wolf all-gas range is regular straight single convection on all their models. It's not self-cleaning like some other manufacturers, as you'll see. Dual fuel oven is self-cleaning and has convection, even including the smaller oven of the 48-inch range. Large oven also offers their VertiFlow twin fan convection system, with larger elements to maintain an even temperature so your cookies have the same color and texture. Wolf's a solid brand, but there are some of the features it's lacking. Some of the brands will have different cooktop configurations, including an induction set of burners, which will be even faster and have a lower simmer than even a high output pro gas burner. You may want to consider an induction range if you're looking at a 30 or 36-inch size. Steam is also becoming popular in pro ranges. There are 2 types of steam ovens. Steam Assist is used with convection for baking bread and adding moisture and texture to your roasts. Miele most notably has a Steam Assist oven. Other brands, such as Thermador and SKS, offer full steam ovens in their pro ranges, so you can cook a whole meal just using steam, which is the best way to prepare food. Then there's color. You have 3 color choices in Wolf, which is about $997 less than a BlueStar. So if you want to see all your other options, click this video, and thanks for watching.